Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, aka JSSugar21 here. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a Colourpop unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So let's go ahead and open it. Inside it looks like that. Look at that. Isn't that so adorable? Wow. I love how it says Colourpop on the box right there, and I see a lot of pink colors. Let's see what it is. So first we got the bubble wrap, and the first item we see here is this Colourpop Lip Duo, and this is from the Barbie collection, and it's called Malibu Sunset. And it comes with the lipstick and the lip pencil. So let's open it up. Isn't that so adorable? And when you open it up, it looks like that. So cute. And you can already see, I think that's the lip pencil and I think that's the lipstick. But we'll take a look-see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is what it looks like. So adorable. And this color is in the shade Malibu Sunset. And this is what it looks like. I wanted something more on the red side since the fall is coming. I don't typically go for the color red. I always go for the light pinks and maybe the fuchsia colors, red violet. So this one is, so look at that. I don't know if you can see it. It has detailing on there, and it says, I think it says Barbie. Yes, it says Barbie on there. See that? Let's do a swatch. Wow, that is gorgeous. And yeah, it is a red violet type of color. That's usually the color I go for. So I thought it was more on the redder side, but it's more on the red violet, but that's okay. It does look very pigmented, and I've heard lots of good things about Colourpop. Now this is the lip pencil, and it says Barbie Colourpop, and this is the shade it's in. So let's see. It looks like that. And yeah, the shades are pretty similar. I just love these. Oh my god. I'm so in love with this collection. Oh my gosh. So exciting. So exciting. Our next item I am going to grab here is another lipstick duo, or lip duo I should say. And this one is in the shade Golden Beach. Isn't that so cute? I love the packaging on this. Okay. Let's open it up. Same thing as the other ones, I believe. And let's check the color. Same packaging. Very beautiful. This is what the color looks like, and it says Barbie just like the other. And let's go ahead and swatch it for you. Now this is more like a fall color, definitely. It's more on the mauve-y side, more natural looking side. So yeah, I do like that. And this is what the lip pencil looks like. It says Barbie Colourpop. And this one is in the shade Golden Beach. The lip pencil is very light, and it looks like the lipstick is a little bit lighter though, or a little bit more pinky, and the lip pencil is a little bit more brown. Maybe that's just the lighting. But on my hand, yeah, I can definitely tell a difference between the lipstick and the lip pencil, which I don't know if it's a huge difference, or I don't know if it's like a big deal, basically. We'll see once I try it on. Third lip duo in the shade Dream House. So cute. This one is a rainbow. And yep, there's rainbows on the inside there. Same cute pink packaging. This is the shade. Hope it's for the fall, since the fall is coming up. And yeah, I believe it is. It's very pigmented and creamy. I could tell that it's very creamy. This is what the lip pencil looks like. And that color does look a little more different. Yeah, very different. I mean, the one in the middle looks very different than this one, and then this color looks a little different than this color also. A little lighter, which I don't mind. It's okay. I'm gonna smell these. Okay. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells almost like chocolate. Almost like chocolate, but not exactly. So it's okay. It doesn't have a bad smell. That's good. Okay, next up, I got these cute doll lashes, and they look like this. So when you open them up, it's like a magnet box. That is so cute. And it has little hearts in there. Oops. Ooh, it has a little ribbon right here, so you can easily pop them out, I guess. But yeah, these are some cute doll eyelashes. Next up, we're gonna open this. This is the Barbie Colourpop hand mirror. Ooh, I'm excited about that one. When you open it up, it has the beautiful little Barbie dolls. Oh my god, how adorable is that? So cute. I love it. Look at that. On the handle, it says Barbie Colourpop right there. And on the back, it says Barbie Colourpop right there. Isn't that so cute? Now I can use this when I'm doing my makeup for you guys. Next up, we're gonna open up this one. This is the Beach Party Super Shock Highlighter Palette. Packaging looks like that. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And look at the back. So cute. Okay, so it does come with the mirror, but you have to pull off the sticker. And this is what it looks like. Let's see. Pretty. Very pigmented. Let's swatch it. Wow, right there. And I probably don't need this, so I might put this in a giveaway. Next up, we got the Barbie Colourpop Malibu Barbie Pressed Powder Palette. Looks like this. And look, it has all the names of all the shades on the back of the box. This is animal cruelty free. That's what it looks like. And yes, it also has the shades on this palette. Super cool. So gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. Look at all those beautiful colors. And it does come with a lovely mirror. So cute. Then on the bottom, it came with my receipt, items that I ordered, but it doesn't have the prices on there. And then it came with this beautiful Colourpop stock card, and it says, "Thanks a latte." Isn't that so cute? How adorable are they? So sweet. Well, that is everything for today. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll get notified the next time I post. And if you haven't entered my giveaway, go ahead and go enter my giveaway. I will put it up here so you can click on there, click on it, and go watch it. And that giveaway will end September 31st. So you only have a few more days left. So go ahead and feel free to share this video if you want your friends to come and join the giveaway also. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.